everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about the center double decrease. This is a technique that takes 3 stitches and reduces them to 1. That means you are decreasing 2 stitches at once. Okay, to work the double center decrease, you want to knit to your 3 center stitches. This means you have 1 stitch in the middle and then 1 to the right and 1 to the left. So I reached my 3 stitches. I have my middle stitch and then I have 1 to the right and 1 to the left. For the center double decrease, I want to slip the first 2 stitches together knitwise. You insert your needle knitwise in both stitches and then you slip them to your right needle. Knit your next stitch and then you want to pass your 2 slipped stitches over your knit stitch. Like this. So you just did a CDD or a center double decrease and you have 1 stitch remaining in the middle and it looks really pretty. So this is what your decrease looks like from the purl side and this is what it looks like from the knit side. You have a really beautiful stitch that forms a neat vertical line that leans neither to the left or to the right. I really love using these decreases for head grounds because it shapes the top of the head so beautifully. You get these neat little vertical lines and the decreases look like a little star or a wheel maybe. And it is really important for lace knitting as well. To form these little leaves here, you need to work an SSK together with a knit two together, a yarn over, and to form the top of the leaf, I did work a center double decrease here. So that's all I have on the center double decrease. It's simply beautiful and once you know it, you want to use it everywhere. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for spending your precious time with me. And if you have any questions, drop a comment down below. You can also hop to my blog and read a full blog post about these decreases. If you are new here and you like my content, subscribe to my channel and give this video a like. Thank you so much again for watching this video. I wish you all the best. Until next time, bye!